if you can make shots offensively, you got to be able to get stops down the stretch, especially when you're playing against teams that's been scoring. So we had to get stops, and we did that. I got to stay focused. I'm locked in, y'all.
Your starting backcourt, Dennis and Austin Average, they combined 26 and 10. How important was that for what you guys did to get accomplished tonight?
I mean, it's important for our backcourt to be, complementary to one another, especially when you got D'Lo out. So, to have that backcourt production, them not turning the ball over, them getting shots at the rim, them, getting guys involved.